Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nawal binti Muhammad Ali. I am from KIM1104F.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is HAZIRAH binti ZAKARIA and I'm from KIM1104F.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Jazila binti Hasna. I'm from KIM1104F.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is binti ROZI and I am from class KIM1104F.
So the introduction, basically we need to find a suitable and compatible PC for Nawal. Nawal is a UiTM student, new student. She wants to buy a new computer for her studies. She will use the computer for assignment using utility software such as Microsoft and programming software such as VBNet and C++. Also, she will use Adobe software. The computer should be able to support large graphic for gaming and a good sound system to watch movie, either CDs or DVDs. She also required a large of storage to store her files. Here are some suggestions of complete system specification for Nawal to use.
I will explain a little bit about a motherboard. A motherboard connects the physical components of computers such as processor, memory, hard drive, and graphic card. So it comes in a variety of shapes and sizes to accommodate different types and sizes of computers. Next, each type of motherboard is intended to function with certain processors and memory. Thus, not all CPUs and memory types are compatible. Hard drive, on the other hand, are largely ubiquitous and function with almost all motherboards, regardless of kind of manufacturer. The majority of the hardware and computer peripherals are connected to the motherboard, which is housed inside the computer casing. The motherboard, which is the largest circuit board in tower computers, is located on the left or right side of the tower. So here is a suggestion for Nawal. Gigabyte AMD B450 Ultra. Next is the computer case. The computer case primary function is to physically mount and hold all of the computer's internal components such as the motherboard, hard drive, optical drive, floppy disk drive, and so on. So ZOZI, NZST, and NTED are three well-known computer case manufacturers. Last but not least, the computer casing itself can be made out of any material as long as the internal electronic are support. It's generally made of steel, plastic, or aluminum, although it may be made of wood, glass, or styrofoam. There are few of computer case with reasonable price for a student like Nawal. So here are some good and quality suggestions for Nawal. First is iGo Black Technology full window case, and second one is TechWare Forge M.
We move to hardware recommended. Hardware is the actual components of a computer and related devices are referred to as computer hardware. Motherboards, hard drive, and RAMs are examples of internal hardware device. Monitors, keyboards, mouse, printers, and scanners are examples of external hardware and devices. These are some suggestions for Nawal to set up her PC according to its specifications. The first one is Intel 10th generation i7 10708 cores 16 threads desktop processor. Second is Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Twin Edge OC 8GB GDDR6. And third is Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro SL 32GB 3600 MHz C18 memory RAM. And the last one is Samsung SSD 970 Evo Plus 1TB.
Application software is a type of computer program that perform a specific personal, educational, and business function. For application software, we have recommend some types of Adobe from Creative Cloud for Nawal. It is Adobe Photoshop. It functions on image editing, photo retouching, and it is graphic design software such as can edit 3D graphics and videos. Adobe Photoshop provides many image editing features for raster as pixel-based image as well as vectors graphics. It also uses a layer-based editing system that enables image creation and altering with multiple overlays that support transparency. Adobe Illustrator. It is a software application for creating drawings, illustration, and artworks. It also can create the vectors graphic and illustration. Adobe Illustrator can create a variety of digital and printed images, including cartoons, charts, diagrams, graphs, logos, and illustrator. It also functions to recolor and create a sketch-like appearance of a photograph. Adobe Premiere Pro is a timeline-based video editing software application that developed by Adobe. It allows users to make an interactive videos and also an amazing video using all the tools that have in that software. It is because Adobe Premiere Pro is a comprehensive video editing tool based on a visual timeline that have been widely used in the film and also TV industry, as well as by YouTubers Adobe Dreamweaver. It is a veteran software for code-free website building, and it is used to develop own website with own creativity because it is a proprietary web development tool that have been first created by Macromedia in 1997. Adobe Director also an application software that can be defined as a program used to create multimedia application. It is originally designed for creating animation sequence, but it is now commonly used to create shortwave applications such as games and e-learning courses. Adobe Director allows users to create multimedia application using an interface and workflow based on movie making. Adobe Director uses a scripting language, namely as Lingo, that allows interactive to be added to application. Lastly, Adobe Director also has 2D image manipulation tool and can support 3D interactive with shortwave 3D file objects. The other software that we recommend for Nawal is utility software. We choose some utility software such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Access, PowerPoint, and Excel. So we suggest Microsoft 365 that have several types of software package. Okay, firstly, Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processor that allows Nawal to do her assignment report. It is because Microsoft Word can use to create text document that can be saved electronically, printed, or saved as PDF files. Next is Microsoft Access. It is only available for PC. Microsoft Access is a database management system that offered by Microsoft. It uses the Microsoft JET database engine and comes as a part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. Microsoft Access functions to create database by own and easy to use. It also can improve our skill, such as we can know how to use and have skill on data management with tutorial, documentation, and connection to experts. PowerPoint. PowerPoint can be defined as a powerful slideshow presentation. It is useful for everyone, especially students like Nawal, to complete their slide presentation for her assignment. PowerPoint allows users to make it as videos after done their slides. In PowerPoint, have a lot of tools that can be used, such as Smart Arts, Background Choice, and Excel is a software program by Microsoft that uses spreadsheets to organize numbers and data with formulas and functions. Excel helps to reduce the difficulty of plotting data and also and also allows students a means for interpreting the data. And also lastly, Excel can help to understand the relationship between the data and the charts. Systems of software. So we choose operating system for Nawal. There are several types of operating system such as Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, Linux, Android, and also Apple iOS. Therefore, we decide to choose Microsoft Windows 10 for Nawal for her new computer. It is software. So utilities program we decide for Nawal is antivirus software. Therefore, for Nawal we choose to install antivirus, namely McAfee for her because she will use computer every day. So antivirus can help to protect her computer. McAfee Total Protection is an antivirus purpose built to detect and destroy threats like virus, malware, ransomware, spyware, and so on.
Last software is programming software. We choose VB next. It allows users to create object-oriented and highly useful tools.
Last software for programming software is C++. It is a powerful general-purpose programming language. Its function can be used to develop operating system, browsers, games, and so on. C++ also supports different ways of programming like procedural, object orientation, functional, and so on. This makes C++ powerful as well as flexible. Lastly, it helps users to understand the internal architecture of a computer, how computers store and retrieve information.
Next is input devices. Input device is a tool that is used to enter data into a computer or any other computational device is known as an input device. Even without input devices, a computer would just function as a display device and allow users to interact. The user's commands and input are used by the computer. The first input device that I will recommend is I suggest for students that major in editing course is brand name Razer. The Huntsman Elite is the newest Razer gaming keyboard. It features infrared cameras and mechanical switch to produce Razer's unique optomechanical switches. The speed difference is significant, resulting in unrivaled input speed and latency reduction. As a result, this keyboard is ideal for video games and photo editing. The only disadvantage is that it consumes a lot of energy, requires not one but two USB cords to operate, and is also a fairly expensive purchase for students like Nawal. The next suggestion of input device is the G903 gaming mouse. The G903 offers competition-grade performance, responsiveness, and precision thanks to its 1 millisecond light speed wireless. The PM-W3366 optical sensor delivers outstanding detection, performance, and constant responsiveness at any speed, with no smoothing, flickering, acceleration over the full DPI range from 200 until 12,000 DPI. Advanced clock tuning technology decreases sensor power consumption by up to 80%, allowing you to play for up to 32 hours for battery life. Other than that, this touchpad is recommended since the task is for editing, so it will be easier for user to use it, such as illustrator, graphic designer, and artist. It will be this Wacom Intuos Pro as it is a good investment. The Wacom Intuos Pro has a precise and spacious drawing area as well as configurable keys and a long-lasting construction. It's handy touchscreen that can use for browsing, scrolling, resizing your canvas, moving between sheets, and altering brush size. Set it apart from other drawing tablets because the device supports multi-touch. It may be used as a trackpad in its entirety. On your PC or Mac, you can quickly navigate between tabs and programs, scroll and select objects without using your mouse. Since she is used to playing video games on PC, This recommended Microsoft Xbox One controller is one of the important input because it can facilitate users to control the movement of the video games, so there is no more control using a keyboard. The Xbox One wireless controller has been updated to include texture-based grips along with Bluetooth compatibility, which promise improved range and wireless connectivity on Windows PCs without the use of a dongle. The D-pad on the console has been changed from the disc type on the 360 to a more classic 4-way cross style, which enables for improved precision. The side buttons feel as good to push as they do to rest your fingertips on, and the triggers rumble, providing better pulse feedback. The Xbox guide button has been relocated up away from the central menu buttons to minimize inadvertent input.
Device. So this is a monitor that we choose. This monitor is a gaming monitor. The ViewSonic XG2402 is a 24 Full HD monitor packed with all the speed and features that die-hard gaming needs. Next is Jabra Elite 45H, engineered to be best in class or ear wireless headphone with 40mm speakers. Some of that headphone have its own quality and the sound is nice to hear. It has special features like have two microphone call technology that can let users to make and take calls, and then this headphone will be directly accessed to Alexa, Siri, and also Google Assistant. So it is feasible for Nawal to use for her study because she can use this headphone when she want to contact with her friend to discuss about their assignment. Other than that, if users purchase this headphone, they can get USB cable, carrying pouch, and also warranty and warning leaflet. We have choose speakers for Nawal. Logitech is largely best known for keyboards and mouse. However, it produces glorious speakers too. The speaker has requirement on Windows 10. Like SYNC 5 and 60 is two powerful stereo speakers and imposing subwoofer. Thus, the speaker can hear every detail as game and sound designer. USB has provided to connect and use Logitech G Hub to customize lighting, colors, and effects. Other than that, G360 can connect to and mix multiple sources such USB and Bluetooth. Last output device that we choose for Nawal is Canon PIXMA MG2577S. For print purpose, this printer is the best choice for recommend because have boost many key options. Firstly, quiet mode also allow us to print document with minimum printing noises, creating it appropriate for use throughout hours at home. It also a 3-in-1 combination of prints. It can scan and copy functionality, and also an easy to use auto power buttons. This printer has extra options like filters, auto layout, saturation, automatic face recognition, and full HD movie prints. Lastly, this printer is a helpful software system design that allows users to arrange and print our photos. So that's all from me, and I will pass to the next presenter.
And here, the price consideration of complete set total is 12,605.13, which are complete with hardware, software, input devices, output devices, and the computer specifications needs for Nawal. As for the conclusion, is to make purchase to fulfill all of Nawal's requirements. The preparation has been done with a focus on a device design and pricing concerns. by assessing the material specification, its detail, and its capacity to exactly match Nawal's requirements as a student, this computer can fulfill all of Nawal's needs. And it is very compatible, inexpensive, and comprehensive for student use. It is also preferred as a gaming computer, whether for assignments or tasks. In the process of determining which computer was appropriate and worthwhile purchase, it met the needs of the solutions and solved its difficulties at the same time. And that's all from us. Thank you.